Once upon a time, a great musician, Yo-Yo Ma, was traveling through Botswana collecting local music when he heard a shaman singing. Yo-Yo Ma said, "Stop, wow, I have to write this down." He wrote a bit, then said, "Carry on." But the shaman sang a completely different song. Yo-Yo Ma said, "No, sing the first one." The shaman said, "I cannot too." The first time, an antelope was in the distance. Clouds covered the sun. The second time, clouds had gone, antelope disappeared. So the song changed. You see, in the old days, music was a live thing. But after Industrial Revolution, people became obsessed with producing identical things to package time, but not in Africa. That is why we say we will come at 1, but won't arrive till 3. So, appointments, bad idea.
You planned this, Omo.
I have to get these men home.
Yeah, because I have no home, I'm expendable.
The families need them.
And I have none, so I don't matter.
Doctor, you have stories. That's all I was thinking.
I love this shop. I loved you, Omo.
I thought it was a home for me. I was safe.
So, he's not here now. Open the door and go.
We can't.
You can.
There's nowhere to go.
I opened it from the outside.
It's different from inside.
Do not talk to me ever again. I trusted you with both of my hearts, with everything that I am. How could you? Got it.
We will live here. There is nothing that he can do.
He has no real power.
You want to know who I am?
I go by many names. Anansi, the man spider. Saga, the Norse goddess. Bastet, Dionysus, the Greek god of theater. Even Loki, god of mischief. I have been them all. In many cultures, in many worlds, in many incarnations. It does not matter what I am called. It matters who I am, what I do.
And what is it that you do?
I begin all things. I am the voice in the empty void. I am the spark, the seed, the dark nucleus, the lie that tells the truth, the well of words. The Godfather Griot, the jelly before, the tall tale itself, and this, Doctor, this is my domain.
This barbershop. Our barbershop.
Yes.
And you were all those story lords.
Yes.
All those gods. You. You sure?
Yes.
Why are you laughing? What's so funny?
In a time
of slavery and deep suffering. The slaves who broke their chains and escaped would return to try to free others. Slaves were not allowed to carry paper. They were always stopped and searched. But the women were very clever. They could make their hair into many shapes and patterns. And in one style, hair could be braided to the scalp, bending and curling like roads or paths. So the women would weave maps into their hair and pass it on. Mothers to daughters, slave to slave, plantation to plantation.
The slave masters never checked their hair, so they shaped roots like this and escaped to freedom.
Exactly. There. All done. And battery levels are good. For now.
You look good.
So good!
I could kiss myself. It's a shame I might have to ruin it.
Why?
You will find out soon enough.
Belinda, now.
Took you long enough.
Fine.
Just trying to concentrate. Abinah gave me the map to freedom. This way. Come on.
Stop.
This way. Run.
This is your ego.
Want to hear a story?
No, don't
Really
give him
short,
any more
really
power.
short.
You know Hemingway. I saw some of his books back there. I met him. I wanted to see how good he was. I challenged him.
Hemi, baby, write me the shortest story you can.
He wrote it in 6 words.
Short as hell.
Do you want to hear mine?
I'm born.
I die. I'm born.
You're giving me power, but how? Huh? I am not connected to you.
No, the engine is connected to me. My stories, my voice. Look, on.
Let's do what we're doing.
Just this once.
I'm a doctor. I'm a time
When you
lord.
fire that first shot, no matter how right you feel, you have no idea who's going to die.
When people need help, I never refuse.
Definitely not the man I was.
My body is like a barbershop. All of them inside, telling their stories, bickering. I will not fail them.
Told a never-ending story and gave me never-ending power.
He's taken out a third of the engine. You can't process that power. Your engine could overload and explode. We'll all be sucked into space.
You will not do that. You will not. No. Don't you? Hey. The stories say you protect life.
That is what I am doing. You destroy the gods, you wreck 7 billion lives. 7 billion! Or us! I control the engine. You control the doors.
Let them out.
You were once mortal. Their lives and their stories will end because of you. Do you want that?
Don't forget to click below to subscribe to the official Doctor Who YouTube channel.